Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to white out a page in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and click on this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this redact option. Click here and I'll redact this page number 2 and I'll make it white out. Click on this arrow and first select properties option and click on this appearance option and select here your color, white color. Now select OK and again click on this arrow and select redact page and I simply select here page number 2 and select OK and say this preview and finally select apply. OK, save your PDF file destination folder and save and see this our PDF file page number 2 now redacted, white out and see this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.